Now let's look at rules 6 to 10 for writing emails. So the first one, proofread your email. This is really, really important. When speaking to someone, mistakes are not noticed a lot of the time, but in a formal email, you must make sure your grammar and your spelling are correct. So do always read back over it or even read the email aloud because you might pick up or hear some mistakes. The next one, only copy in other people if they know why they are receiving a copy. If you copy in a co-worker, for example, in order to pass on information, but if this co-worker does not know why they have been copied in, they may not read the email properly. Next, do not overuse abbreviations or emoticons. If you are unsure, don't use either. Next, do not request read receipts. Sometimes people do this to ensure the recipient has read their email, but if you are someone who is getting 10, 20, 30 emails a day, you don't want read receipts on all of them. And the last one seems common sense. Do not reply to spam. If you see any email that you're unsure about, do not open it, put it into your junk or mark it as spam.